Crude oil breaking strongly the day before and in fact touched the 110 levels, critical support levels, and NG again in a bullish zone. Now what is going to happen today? Which position we should take, whether to go short, whether to go long, and in which price we should take this trade. Everything we gonna look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated about the latest analysis. If you have interest into gold, silver, oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany 40 or Nifty 50. Every analysis is available. Do watch that also. Let's start the day with crude oil first. Crude oil trading at 111 level. We have seen good streak of drop there and it is trying to trade within this channel. The resistance there at 112.2, 112.5 is there, and with that as resistance it is trying to trade. Only long entry I'll suggest is beyond 112.5. Below that, beyond that, one can again expect it to come back to 114 plus levels. At the same time, below 110 there could be sharper drop on the downside till towards 108 levels. The directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. Remember, the stochastic is oversold, hence we may see minor greener movements here. The MACD is wide divergent and extremely bearish. It should start to converge from here on the hourly charts. So maybe we may see little of reversal from here. The RSI is oversold again and it can try to bounce back on the upside. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, 4 red candles subsequent, and it is trying to trade with this channel, but it can try to reverse. So here if you look at 112.5, definitely is going to provide a very strong resistance for the day. Beyond that, definitely it will fly. Yes, you can initiate a long entry at 112 also, and at the same time I will recommend you to do not go short till 110, rather I will say 110.5. You can try to initiate, but again it is going to get the support at 110 levels. Directional movement is bearish on the 2-hour charts. The stochastic is oversold on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bearish on the 2-hour charts. The RSI is hit a bottom. It is trying to reverse. So it is hit a oversold levels. It is trying to reverse from there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, the candle size is diminishing in nature. It means the bears are failing to lose the control here, failing to gain the control here, and they are just on the verge of losing the control and the bulls are trying to take over, and hence we may expect a little reversal. The only confirmation of going a long here is at 112.5, and rather you can initiate at 112 also. From 112 there is going to be a little resistance at 112.5. If you see it trading beyond 112.5, it may try to give you a strong reversal till towards 113.5 and 114 levels. In fact, it can rise beyond those levels also. Directional movement is extremely bearish here. It is wide divergent, and if you look at the stochastic, this is also oversold here. Similarly, the MACD is wide divergent and extremely bearish. The candle size must start to diminish from here. The RSI is near to bottom on the 3-hour charts, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour chart, see it is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel at around 113.8, 114 zone. So a probable long entry at 112 can be taken for this as a target. The directional movement is wide bearish, strongly bearish, and the stochastic is again oversold here. So a little reversal can be expected. The MACD is wide and divergent and bearish here. The RSI is near to bottom. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, if you look at, this is the second red candle and there is a probability that it may try to hit the highs. See, it is trying to trade in this channel. There is a support at 112. This is the 20 period moving average. Only breaking this, I will recommend that it is going to act bearish, else it is may try to show a bounce back. So I will be looking forward to this. Is a very strong support at 112, that is 20 period moving average. It has consistently given a strong support for oil till now. In fact, if it tried to breach this level couple of occasions, it has shown a good recovery. So it is trying to trade in this zone, in this channel, and hence 110 should be a very strong support. Now if it breaks 110 today, we may see a good fall which will try to take it towards 108 levels. So also if you look at the directional movement is bullish till now. It is trying to cross over for a sell off. It is converging. See, the stochastic was overbought and we have seen this drop. The MACD is also trying to converge from here and cross over for a sell off. The RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, Only short entry is at 110.5, below which you can expect 110 levels, and if it breaks 110, I'll be looking forward to 109.2, 109.2, 108.4 and 108 levels. These three levels should provide a stronger support, and below that we may see oil sliding strongly till towards 106 levels. So one can remain short below 110.5, specifically 110 levels, which is going to provide very strong support on the downside. At the same time, there is a minor reversal, and we can see oil touching highs of this channel before looking forward to a reversal. So you can enjoy that journey also with the uh, you can enter at around 112 levels. The first resistance at 112.5, very strong resistance, then it will try to hit 113.5, 114, and in fact it can try to hit 114.8 levels. 114.6, 114.8 zone is going to provide a stronger resistance. So only if it breaks past this, I will consider that as a bullish reversal, as it may reverse from those levels. So on the minor time frames, we have a long time, we have a long day for now, as the trading has already started with the Asia cash session, and probably we may see a little rise now before it looks over to a drop later. Or again, remember, there are going to be data from US related to oil and oil reserves, so do watchful of that. We may see a drop later in the day, so take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. See, NG again trading above the 20 period moving average. It is shown the breakout yesterday. Higher lows are seen till now and higher highs are seen till now. If you consider this as the channel, we have seen the higher lows, we have seen the higher highs, and NG trading precisely within this zone till now. Now the level at 8.2, definitely a very strong support level for any downside move. Now look at the near term time frame. So near term time frames, we have seen this. We have seen NG reversing from here, achieving the double top. It is reversed. It has completed this journey till here. Higher lows are seen, and now it is trying to reverse again. So possibly, if you see NG trading above this zone at 8.8 any point of time, then remain long, and it is going to hit 8.9 and $9 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit. It is going to fly high, but till the time it is trading below 8.8, I will not recommend you to go long on NG today. It can try to reverse a bit, and it can try to consolidate in this zone between 8 to 8.5, 8.4 levels. The directional movement is bullish on the daily chart, but let's have a look at the hourly charts first before we look forward to or come back to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, this is the reversal. After this reversal, it has shown a good drop. Lower highs are done and lower lows are also seen, but look at the candle size. The body size is small in nature compared to previous candle, indicating that the bears are not willing to take the control here, and it can try to reverse a bit on the upside. But at the same time, see, there is a 100 period moving average which is giving it a support at 8.6 level, but at the same time, see, this is a reversal candle, and since then it is trading with a drop. So yes, you can initiate a long entry if the next candle, see, this is a yesterday's candle, and the today's candle is yet to start, and possibly I'll be looking forward to this zone at 8.7, 8.75. Only if it breaks past this, one can expect a sharper entry on the upside, else it may try to retrace back a bit on the downside. On the downside, there is a definite support at around 8.55, 8.5 zone and 8.46. The hourly stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell entry, and the RSI is also trading flat here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, similarly, it is trying to reverse from here. Lower highs are seen, reversal candle, and it has a probability for it to hit 8.6 and then towards 8.55. See, this zone at 8.46 is going to provide a stronger support, so I'll be looking forward to that. Breaking this, again, one can expect a sharper drop there. In NG, the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic was overbought on the 2-hour charts, and that is why we are looking forward to a drop there. The MACD is trying to converge here for a sell. The RSI is also sloping downwards. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, it is reversed from here. It is giving lower highs with the resistance at 8.8. It is trying to come back till towards 8.55, 8.46 zone, and in fact, it may try to achieve lows till towards 8.5 levels before it looks forward to any further rise. So yes, one can stay short for now till the time it is below 8.7 with the stop loss at 8.7. One can stay short. One can expect that it may try to come back to 8.46, 8.5 levels. The direction stochastic is overbought here on the 3-hour chart. The MACD is green and it is trying to converge from here. The RSI is sloping downwards. Similarly, if you look on the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts to lower highs and a reversal, probably it may try to come back to 8.6 and then it may try to go back till towards 8.5, 8.4. The support here at 8.36 is very strong now. So 8.4, 8.36 and below levels are definitely going to provide a very stronger resistance for any downward move. Right now NG is reversing, achieving the highs here, and appears that we may see a stronger support from this zone at 8.36, 8.3 zone. Directional movement is trying to converge. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is crossed over just 2 candles back and it is still in green. It is still divergent. So the downward movement may not be that strong, keeping the MACD green, and again it will continue or resume the bull run. The RSI is sloping downwards. Similarly on the daily charts, if you look at, there is a support here from the 20 period moving average at around 8.3 levels, and that is something I'll be watchful of. Breaking this, we can expect a sharper drop today itself. Right now it is trying to consolidate with lower highs and higher lows. The directional movement is still bullish. The stochastic is near to bottom there, and the MACD is still in sell side. It has crossed 2 candles back, hence little bit of bearishness is still very much there, but it is trading without any divergence, trading parallel. The RSI is again looking upwards. So yes, for the day one can go short at 8.6, and below 8.6 my target is going to be 8.55, 8.5, 8.46, 8.4 and 8.36 level. In fact 8.3 is going to be very strong support for NG for the day, and then below that we may see a sharper fall on the downside. So yes, and the stop loss should be kept at 8.7 levels. Above 8.7 I'll be again expecting it to hit 8.75, 8.8, 8.8, very strong resistance on the upside. Beyond that it will fly high on the upside till towards 8.9 and 9. Beyond 8.8 it can try to rise strongly, and yes, 8.9 is going to give it again a stronger resistance. Beyond that we can expect it to rise strongly. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Telegram channel. Thank you very much friends. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you.